Hello, this video is the new vocabulary and expressions of our previous story. I am a superhero. You can watch the full story from the card above. The word ordinary describes something that is normal or usual without any special feature. Example: on an ordinary day, Maria likes to start her morning with a cup of coffee and the daily newspaper. An accident is an unexpected event that happens without intention, often causing damage or injury. It usually happens suddenly. Example: Kevin broke his arm in a car accident yesterday. A backpack is a type of bag carried on one's back. It's commonly used to carry books, supplies, or personal items. Example: Lisa packed her books and lunch into her backpack before heading to school. A building is a structure with a roof and walls, such as a house, school, factory, etc. Example: they decided to meet in front of the library, which was the tallest building in the city. To observe means to watch carefully the way something happens, or the way someone does something, especially in order to learn more about it. Example: the scientist will observe the behavior of birds in the wild to gather data for her study. A purse is a small bag used especially by women to carry everyday personal items like money, credit cards, identification documents, and other essentials. It's often designed to be carried by hand or over the shoulder. Example: Emily searched her purse for her keys but couldn't find them. An alley is a narrow path or passageway, often found between or behind buildings in urban areas. Example: we took a shortcut through the alley to get to the movie theater faster. A thief is someone who steals something from another person or place, often secretly and without permission. Thieves take things that do not belong to them. Example: the thief was caught stealing jewelry from the store. Chaos means everything is all mixed up and nothing is in order. It's when things are very messy or confusing. Example: when everyone tried to talk at the same time, it caused chaos in the classroom. Identity is who someone is. It includes things like your name, how you look, and what makes you different from other people. Example: Emma wears a bracelet with her name on it, so people know her identity. Great job! You did well! You can practice your speaking skills using this story with Peter Parker in the video above. Or, you can watch a new wonderful story in the video below.